with the prayer.
Warm good evening. Thank you first of all for taking out your time to be a part of an important event for the Vani Vidyalaya as an organization, the school, the junior college, and most important for us alumni. You know friends, for us as ex-students of Vani Vidyalaya, thank you for that. Friends, for ex-students of Vani Vidyalaya, there's a lot of emotional connect when we come back to our schools and junior colleges, and when we formally want to welcome our principal, our secretaries, our chairman, managing committee members, all the teachers over here, the students, the alumni, their family, the friends. You know, it's a moment where that we've been looking forward for the whole year, because this year in the history of Vani Vidyalaya, it's a very special year because we are celebrating the Diamond Jubilee year, and as many of you are aware, that we had some amazing activities, including the, as they say, the icing on the cake, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam addressing not only Vani Vidyalaya students but all the students from all over Mulund right on this particular stage a few weeks ago, or I would say a month ago. When all these activities were happening, the Vani Vidyalaya Association were thinking that, what can we contribute to the school? Interestingly, we were being able to do so many things, right from, mobilizing out of 50,000 alumni, almost 5,000 students across the globe, thanks to technology, right from Facebook to Twitters and WhatsApp. So many groups have been able to come. And what is interesting is this year we also have a small alumni center, a full-fledged center which has been very active. So this year the Vani alumni actually got a very important boom in the Diamond Jubilee year. First of all, I'd like to thank the management committee, the principal and all the people who are guiding us to make this happen. Coming back to today's event was something that we said, humko karna hai. Because from the school side, now the focus is on academics. As you know, the 10th standard exams are coming, all the teachers are very busy. And we almost said that, karna hai, nahi karna, but somewhere we said, karna hai, because that will be for us the final thing before the year almost ends academically and we begin the next year. Thanks to the management for accepting this in spite of all the hurdles that you have. So friends, today we are having an entertainment program which we have called Pyar Ke Rang Lehron Ke Sang. We've been planning of this almost like a year ago and completely organized by all batches of Vani alumni, right from the first, second batch to the latest batch. And what's very special for us is that it is just a beginning that we are trying to call back maximum people, not only of the past but also connect to the students of the future. We just did a program where we guided the next students who are just going to pass out from the 10th standard, who are just going to give the exams. Today for me it is not about giving the complete report. That job will be done by whom we call our senior most alumni who has been active, CR Mama. CR Mama will talk a little bit about what Alumni Association at Vani Vidyalaya does, and then very soon we'll have what we have come for, the Lehre group, which is very, very amazing, anchored by Dr. Seema and all her group, and thanks to TVG for making this happen. So I'll request CR Mama to kindly come and give a little brief about Vani Vidyalaya Association activities.
Thank you, Radha.
A very warm welcome to all of you, especially to our special invitees, which are C.V. Srinivasan, President SIU, Madam Principal, Dr. Dolly Henry, Jadhav Sir, and all of you present over here. While it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all for this grand melodious evening, we are extremely honored by the esteemed presence of our special invitees, as I told you. And I take this opportunity to welcome and honor them. We welcome you, sir and madam. Thank you. Now, all of you may be wondering, what is this alumni like? Maybe, perhaps, a few students may not be aware what is alumni. Let me tell you in a nutshell. Alumni is a body of the past students of association. Past students come together and we have formed this alumni association, and we have got a three-pronged motto. What is a three-pronged motto in the sense? To help and develop our current students. Mainly our activities are concerned towards the development of our school as well as our students. In this direction, we will strive to the extent possible how we can make this. The main objective, as I told you, and our vision too, we have made it Vision 2020. At 2020 where we want to stand. I mean, it is our endeavor, it's not only our alumni endeavor as well as manager endeavor to have a degree college of Vani Vidyalaya, maybe somewhere within Mulund itself or wherever possible, by 2020 or at the earliest. For that, we are trying our best. And for which purpose, we request all of your support and overwhelming contribution for our activities. I am aware you are all anxiously waiting for the grand old melodies. I will not take much of your time. Enjoy yourself. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sia Mama, for keeping the Alumni Association active throughout the so many years. So once again, welcome all. Madam, Principal Dolly Henry, Madam, President Sir, Secretary Sir. I don't want to start again because there will be a small function later on. Without taking much time, I'd like to hand over to our group, and we have our anchor for the day, Dr. Seema, who will be guiding us through the particular program. Sit down and enjoy Pyar Ke Rang, Lehron Ke Sang. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Pillai. Good evening, everybody. Namaskar. Adab. Sat Sri Akal. Vanakkam. Vanakkam. Nobody said anything for that. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this Hindi Filmon ka Rangarang program, Pyar Ke Rang, Lehron Ke Sang. हिंदी फिल्मी गीतों के सागर से आज ये लहरें. It's okay if I talk in Hindi and English both, right? Fine, thank you. हिंदी फिल्मी गीतों के सागर से आज ये लहरें आप लोगों के लिए कुछ चुनिंदा मोती लेकर आई हैं, जो ये आपके सामने हाजिर करेंगे. आशा करती हूँ आपको पसंद आएंगे. और जैसे जैसे शाम आगे बढ़ेगी, आई एम श्योर आपको एहसास होगा कि आप इन गीतों के सागर में डूबते चले जाएंगे. ये मेरा वादा है. आई थिंक दैट नीड्स क्लैप्स. हम आपको सागर में डुबोने जा रहे हैं गीतों के. आइए सबसे पहले हावड़ा ब्रिज के इस हसीन गीत को लेकर आपका स्वागत करते हैं. म्यूजिक बाय ओपी नैयर. आपके सामने पेश करेंगी अनुपमा जयराम. She is a teacher by profession, trained in classical music, and does full justice to even a small nuance, all the nuances of the song. Small, हर एक हरकत के लिए वो बहुत शिद्दत से बहुत बड़ा गाती हैं. Please welcome her on stage for the first song of the evening. Anupama ji, please. Yes, she needs. Please join. Put your hands together to welcome Anupama ji. हमारी अगली पायदान पर सुनते हैं फिल्म दिल अपना प्रीत पराई का गीत। शंकर जयकिशन हैज गिवन एन इमॉर्टल पीस ऑफ म्यूजिक इन दिस मूवी। इट इज प्रेजेंटेड बाय मीनाक्षी खोसला। मीनाक्षी जी बड़ी मधुर गायिका हैं। शी हैज़ लर्नड एंड परफॉर्म्ड इंडियन क्लासिकल वोकल ड्यूरिंग हर स्कूल डेज। बहुत ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लेते हुए मैं मीनाक्षी जी से कहूँगी प्लीज़ स्टार्ट द सॉन्ग। सुनिए मीनाक्षी जी को।